Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. When I do videos, you'll get videos just like this. And don't forget to hit like, comment, and share this message. You know what time it is? It is time for another video. And today's topic, we're going to talk about how you can make passive income for newbies, new people like yourself, beginners like yourself, how you can make passive income as a newbie. Now, in 2019, going to 2020, 2021, it's going to be so important to make passive income on autopilot while you sleep, things like that. And so the internet, and there's so many different programs out there and strategies how you can do that. And I'm going to go ahead and line them up, a couple of things you can do to make passive income. So let's start with number one. The first thing you need to do is pick a niche or business model. Now you want to pick something that people are looking for or people are wanting for your service. So let's make an example here. Affiliate marketing. So my niche is affiliate marketing, investing, make money from home, make money while you sleep, that type of thing. So that attracts people. So what you want to do, pick the business model, affiliate marketing, and then you want to get to a program that's going to teach you how to market the products and services of that particular niche. So that's exactly what you need to do. Pick a business model that you love and you enjoy, and then go ahead and get the mentor and coaching for that, and get a program that you believe in, and you can go ahead and impact people's lives. So number two, let's go ahead and keep it going here. The number two thing you really want to do, you want to pick a platform. So basically, if you have your niche and your business model, you want to go ahead and pick a platform that you're promoting this particular product or services. So you can use video, you can do YouTube videos, basically talking about a product or service that you're illustrating and selling, and you can talk about that product and get people into it. So video is really good, email marketing is really good, also blogging. So if you like to write, you can write about certain products and services and really get people's mindset turned into what you're talking about. Remember, you want to be able to locate the problem of the customer and you have the solution. So let's go to number three. Number three, we're going to go ahead is generating leads for your business, generating subscribers for your business. Every day you got to be thinking, I got to generate leads and sales. So how to do that? Well, there's different ways you can do that. You can do a YouTube channel. Once again, you can start a YouTube channel and actually start promoting your products by getting subscribers. You can do YouTube ads, you can do different ads and different things like that to go ahead and get people interested in your product. You can also use Facebook. You can use Facebook as a tool to promote your product as well. Social media, you can Instagram, Twitter, it's a bunch of things out there. But you gotta be thinking, I gotta get leads and sales. One of the best things you can do is just use social media. You can use social media to connect to people on an everyday basis about your niche and about your product on an everyday basis. Now, the next thing you want to do, learn how to generate traffic for your offer, for your niche, and things like that. Once again, you will need to get a coach and a mentor. So when I'm talking about traffic, I'm talking about eyeballs to your website, eyeballs to your offer, eyeballs to your video channel, just like this. Like I'm talking to you right now, that you got eyeballs to me right now, so you're already getting interested in what I'm talking about. That's called, building a subscribing list, building a brand for yourself, and talking about what's the problem and having the solutions. So by driving traffic, there's different ways. There's solo ad vendors if you're into affiliate marketing. There's ads that you can purchase through Facebook, YouTube, Google. There's so many different ways to do it, but choose one or two, go with that, get the right coaching for it, and go ahead and crush it in your business. Now, the next thing I like, the next number 5 on the list, is always invest into yourself. Always invest into your education. Always invest into a course. Once again, mentors and coaching. Always start and continue to invest into whatever that niche is. So if you're into the make money niche, the wealth niche, you always want to invest of how I can get better, invest in a course, always invest into things that's going to help pull yourself up first, because your mindset and your business thriving. If you're in the health niche, you need to be all about the health and the health and the fitness niche. You need to be reading books, you need to be going to seminars, you need to be getting courses, create your course, learning how to stay above the competition and learning how that you can survive in this niche and your online business world. Well, that's all the 5 I have about building and making and creating a passive income for newbies. And if you're new right now, obviously you're new, go ahead and hit the link below this video, because I do have an affiliate marketing opportunity for you that basically you can start your own online business as soon as today. You click on the link below and I got a complete all done for you system. You'll have an advisor, you have a coach, I can be your mentor, walking you through the steps of how you can grow your online business, make money from home, and make an impact for you and your legacy. And of course, that financial freedom sounds good. On your way to financial freedom. So click on that link below to get started on your own online business. I'll be here to be able to hold you accountable and be able to help you grow each and every single day in your business. Well, that's all I got. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm going to talk about a little bit about ClickBank. So I'm going to talk about ClickBank in my next video, but I can't wait to see you. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you later.